Suzuki just did something nobody saw coming. The 2026 RMZ 1050 takes motocross DNA and scales it up in ways that challenge everything we thought we knew about off-road performance. This isn't your typical dirt bike, and that's exactly the point. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and we're diving into Suzuki's boldest off-road creation yet. Design. The RMZ 1050 carries aggressive styling that screams performance. The angular bodywork and race-inspired graphics give it serious presence, while the reinforced frame handles the increased displacement with confidence. Suzuki kept the ergonomics surprisingly neutral despite the larger engine. And the seat-to-peg relationship works for aggressive riding. The skid plate and handguards come standard, showing this bike is built for serious off-road punishment. Bold color options make it stand out on any trailer track. Performance. That massive 1050cc engine delivers power that redefines what's possible off-road. The torque is explosive, yet manageable thanks to sophisticated fuel mapping. The 6-speed transmission handles the power delivery perfectly, and the heavy-duty clutch system can take serious abuse. Upgraded suspension with fully adjustable components handles the extra weight while maintaining plush travel. This bike accelerates like nothing else in the dirt, yet remains surprisingly controllable. Features and technology. Suzuki loaded this machine with serious tech. Multiple engine maps let you tame or unleash the beast depending on conditions. The digital display provides essential data at a glance, and the launch control system helps manage that massive power off the line. Quick adjust suspension makes tuning simple, and the oversized radiators keep temperatures in check during hard riding. The conclusion. The 2026 RMZ 1050 pushes boundaries in the best way possible. Think Suzuki went too big? Or is this the future? Comment your take, hit that like button, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more game-changing content. Share this with riders who appreciate innovation, and we'll catch you next time.